So, Jason, céir ceapan tú? Nach sé go hálainn?
Sorry, I suppose.
Sibh Landon,
Hello, Agnes.
Oh, biddy laddie.
She, shut day, Jason. Ah, but hello, Agnes, Jason.
Oh, Agnes.
Dub Carty, Baile Átha. So we'll shift down for keeps in it.
Neil, Jahina, honey, no it's like him wait, you know.
Clean up, course.
Dog with Paddy goes in or a packard.
He'll have enough fun or bear a laddie and cheek the mass of van.
Good, Jason. The Jackamar and Quiddy and stuff short to stare.
Like she all right, Emma. Turi Helen Arrow White, though. Look, love. Cats don't like moving. He'd be much happier living next door. Sure, Giggs loves Helen. And he'll always be here when we come up to visit.
I'm not going to live here, are we, ma?
Thaw, Jason.
But why?
Thaw said why.
I'll leave school. I'll go out and work. I'll do anything, ma. I'll sell a kidney.
Oh, Jason.
Brilliant tea.
Oh, mush it. Fair play with Agnes.
Ah. Banach Jayla Hanum na Marv.
Dan's getting a bit angry because he's just having to answer the phone all the time instead of ringing up his family and drink tea and read magazines. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Tom in Brixton. Hello?
Hello, Jeremy.
Now, Tom, you're a cab driver, yeah?
I am indeed.
So you are the...
Tom.
Couple nomad.
He'll have enough will she row happy.
Ara be all right.
Of course. Well, go ahead.
Ar tá, ag scoil an Gaelach a bhí sé héana agus ímar a Galway Átha Cliath.
Oh, great. Beerless more clashing to skull and shock, anyways.
Yeah?
Yeah. The posh is a playground. My Shaheen's are too. Have to move with the times, knock at.
Tamahal share. A duckatu.
No.
Duckatu brown or a tachfion.
Níl mé gan arás go héireann, Jack.
Coat of paint. By she humma le Buckingham Palace, Jace.
Gur maithe Agnes.
That's at all, Rita. I'm delighted. My dinner keens the jar. Tá áiteo chuigna ó fuair sean Jack Boss.
Well, bhí rion tíim níar an ar dús gomach dana cén tartan seo tá said chur cléim ar an áit.
Sure níl duine ná dúirí bhanas le Jack beohart an seo.
Dúr telams mé marásúr go mháilis gomach náid team. Fá go mé náid tead sa Rita dearach se.
Is tá tú cínte nach chuil uach go hart áte be.
Well, hóra muid a choláit. Bhí muid i dean ghfuil le chuile táir na ngáile. Scasúil na rágan dana bachtáda na dhécha teach.
Well, there you are then. Shift to Trinona, Tom in you Sean. Manager of chocolate factory.
Oh, yeah.
Friend Macha me. Mavin to hay no paddy girium. Good word, Corristia, aber a fuckle.
Oh, right, oh, she got my head, Agnes.
Don't worry about a thing, Rita. By chinna last time survived Jahina. By an arch just cozy, le move all Jahan.
Gan je Jason, je moet slecht naar dit score.
Teach móra, áit go dacrú mór méte gaan.
Not wedding business in Anya, Tom. Teach munkel at on, Tom. Bawalish ga my on. Fog mats and áit sinna dúirt le módháin.
Fadór cuairt go héireann.
Tom a go réide faoi se, you know.
So gwn.
So will to that start marching.
Tá mé grá nach bhfuil mé go arás go héireann, Jack.
Dín dóile dar Eric fé hanga.
Scecinn an tuaise.
Eric stoi.
Well,
Dinner be Poland.
bra.
Or yield you more on chocolates, low?
Well, thank you, Midge.
Thank you, Mitch.
I didn't know Cluig.
Níach an order macha seo le caiiciis.
Yeah. Calculor. Yeah. Testing my wisdom.
Ah, tasting kick was a tune way. Oh, Sheila. Na rostú steach die chud ceiste Polish chud é wanker.
Tá sé brand new ar an telefís. Cén chuí bhfuil Jason? Tá mar fós a géirig gigs a heut lei.
Hí me gur thocra mu sin.
Yeah, well...
They're they all right at that
Yeah. Beg.
Abel mar grú me hello.
Righto.
Slán.
Slán.
Well, tú chun ní ar fada caibhar an phone.
Sorry, I'm going to bloody Freddie Victor.
Is er steen shout, Martin?
Victor?
Ní cuine bhfuil a bhile a filmstar tá tú bhechaid trína.
No, I'm in the Craoladh Ros studio actually.
Clarfree Freddie Victor.
Yeah.
Keep out of the Dane of Clarfree Chancer Shin.
Well, film producer.
Oh, what do we count the Cridge Films Reeve? Well, a waka.
Yeah.
Waka Anya.
Right, Sean. Get that stachert.
Tada.
Tada me eye. Dat can't talk like dish all evening.
Tá maint imniúr an frín tuirise a bhí gin go Poland.
Hello. Hi, Katrina. Kechulta. Yeah, Ita. Yeah, the Magger Green Mallard, my oven, my Garrett Yachter, Freddie Victor.
She'll come on, Achwell.
Reminds me of a video I saw last month.
Yeah?
Oh, the family moved from New York to Louisiana.
Get the whole of it.
They're all slaughtered within a week.
Jason? Jason?
Hello. Oh, sorry. When I get us it? Tusa tu go isteach tí Jack Fáric nach tú?
Se, is me.
Rite, nacha?
Se.
Aha. Mis a taig, ún an fob. Fáilte rút go ras na rúm.
Gurmad. Jason, cer tú? Better the all right, Jason. I promise.
What's in the puncture, ma?
Yes! Rusnaroon, I'll see you soon.
Hello. Hello, Helen. Goshach. Oh, hiya. Hello, Nikki. Hi. Kech will you guy relive? All right.
Here, Craoladh Ros and she, Nikki.
Agus care the indecision for gigs. Oh, Sheelam said here will aim or sauce the oggle, lads.
Ah, good. God, she's really brave, Rita. Her nose pioneers are valach.
And you go Siberia, Tom, with your girl, Helen.
I get thought, Sam, but you know what I mean. Bit of juice to you now, burning your bridges. Torching the keys or Ashton Corpus, Gochrod.
Come on, Jason. There's a thing walker queer a sham tension at time.
Carry me this.
All right.
Son. Thought you brought up with Jason a gimmocht. Cara's fair of you, yeah?
Well, sure, Bishan and her share a court, yeah. Go hey, fresh and Helen, they're with suckery stech.
Yeah, but she's in her bar. Given that and sourish in Nuravi and first going a Rusnaroon fado.
Oh, tas a film gael gemar, yeah.
Well, dole me.
Mas Rodiella.
Look who's talking. Given let the hen party hain.
Can't be actually a hairson and all.
It's a date.
Place can't be that bad. We were in Galway last summer and it was really cool.
Rusnaroon isn't Galway.
Rusnaroon, what does it mean?
What do you mean, what's it mean?
I know what ruin is, but
I don't know and I don't bleeding care.
Rel Lumps is the rocket moving tour for us.
You don't always have to be trying to speak Irish, Nicky. Some of us can speak English too, you know.
I actually like speaking Irish, Jason.
Weirdo.
We're not Mishitoid, though.
God.
I think I'd get your mat to adopt me.
You're welcome, Ter. I'd definitely swap places with you.
lár fád a chain sin cheán.
Níathraíonn go raibh é.
Yeah?
Sílam gur fiúg mé bug Poland.
So I take it now you'll have more on chocolates, mar sin.
Something going on, Katrina. Harla rud in Poland.
Céad.
Well, sílam go bhfuil is Chris Bart níos mó faoin turas natá sí ginseachtam. The stock is just piling up. I don't know what the hell to do.
Look, tube shower. Take up it. It's called gléach ar Paris.
Tom, what's the rash?
Chalan bright go a vishnach.
Oh.
Yeah. Got in the borders train the chéad. Got me sure swing in job a bit catchy of him.
Cat me gur tú dains an grota gála tíochnam. Miss Solomon tú. Nach mana trílas if I couple of Mayfield.
Ní gád an tríle wanchas. Das me Susan there, remember?
Another subtle dig at the London Irish.
It's a dig at nothing. There's my name a show. Need funner me ágáil.
So, sin linga marsin.
Ní warden ein with a shell.
Kinta nach dasti mar shell oin.
No, Ross na rónna chéad á television sin is binna.
Tá gigs ar ira.
Is sin imagine.
Well, níl tí an anis.
Thug sé fé deara go raibh mé a gas trú.
Oh, tá me cínta go méid sé ar símar. Agus túr a heile na ar i bhábó.
Beidir go ba córdúin, hórtalín.
Ní bheadh sé sásta.
Níl is sagin é sin.
Agus céir de hálós mar a socrú sé síos.
Sin ceist mar, Rita.
Well, beidir go bhfuil cheist socrú a gig sé dúin.
Tá cit cliste.
Nú ceapan sé chéag bhfuil a réchaí.
Nach mór an áir sin. Tá sé de féna bliana leis.
Os mór an náirí. Is tá sé cóúteach mar tádánacha?
Ní hosann sé an na deabna se ríomh godagan na chorasáid.
Ní hosainn agus bheanna sé da réad féna bliana leis. Bú cuioine beice se bhar é.
Ó, dechan go seo.
Bra, Sarah, tá defa mór an frí láthir.
Tú bólan
Trí.
bóla me agus tídáhan cin nach chanáinte díobh. Well, you must be firing on all cylinders in that factory
indeed.
after all. If you're thinking of exporting to Poland.
I really have to go, Sarah. Slánanish.
Rhaid cynnial moelir rwy'n yr ybwysyn. The business am leis, if you don't mind.
Oh, business.
Yeah. Business. Oed Eden, mae cif nhw jab i ar it.
Job, hein. Manam sé mas job tá tastal wat gúneart éidirtin sin sa míon bí, dúir bú tú áiara.
Ní, hynna sort jab at hana iar.
Go for it, Grant.
Agus thusa bu cheart a bheith cuatú job.
Busy?
Bloody accounts. Well, I'm busy.
Oh, you know. So ska close extended.
So, need to come of hort on my shin.
Tá difricht mór idir agus cúnta síocht Robbie. Sa rénos, nach dúr a burni cúna roit.
Cúna le céirt.
Cúnta síocht Robbie.
No way. Tá bhór an héile dí an amsa hí sa siop sin. Tough taskmaster í mámi seige se.
Yeah.
Yeah. Big Maggie. You know, Robbie, I would hate that gobble go mama Shania. Cup on coffee, let her.
It's cup and tea and jam tell.
Cafe, agus tea.
You're gonna love this place.
Yes, have you been here before? It's come si chiama?
Lobster.
Ah, it's a lobster.
Mr. Victor.
Beautiful.
Yes?
I've been ringing you for days.
Really?
Yes, Katrina Neelajan from Radio Pobble Ros Naroon. I'd love to make a documentary on your film studio.
So you're the one.
I'd really like to interview you.
I'm afraid I won't be able to do it in Gaelic, love.
Oh, that's all right. English is fine.
I have attempted a few words after a brandy or two.
Oh, yeah?
But I'm afraid it's far too complex a language for a poor boy from Lambeth.
So, when can we meet?
Beauty and persistence. Call my office tomorrow and we'll set up something, eh?
Ah, brenn with a chocolate mountain.
Níl.
Níl an dúlach a bhaint ó Warsaw, well?
Well, tógan rudí mar sin am, Míhal.
Ní hastín rá shifthain.
Sin supper bumsa.
Doubted fiú go dastín shiftháin wain.
Sure, like throw. Look, I don't want you spreading gloom and despair, Míhal.
An gapan tú gur amúntaine na haibríon úr a cint.
No, ní capan.
Ceart tá tarlúm lech lia. Tá ide.
Look, fág na managerial worries agamsa. They gacrod okay, dira an me.
Anyway, tá mi sé happy gwil si da tíag the news. Spock the rud a bheith a chóní in ecole teach falaf.
Ní chrydan tú dam si Agnes.
Rifan mio, fech fatsi sarm senjle, ni rifan marv. Family jazzy.
Oh, ní sam Agnes. Ní bhhaim packer dubs a dheachta bus a mulachar a mar sin.
Fair an taxr non túignas.
Mas tú Agnes cyn sort conna héin.
Rita? Ah. Bani gwyl mishnach ag I déirin.
Mas tú?
Mesam.
Agus mas tú siasa sin cwrsa.
Jack rá.
Tá sulagum go bhla sig go dé go cruéis vis a gebrú a Ros Naroon.
Níl Sraith ar gigs.
Clever cat.
Oh, tá brón ar a mímar.
Look, how their fad beag on train a chéile.
Beag on?
Look, we all decided to make this move.
I never agreed to it.
Well, there was nothing here for us. I was out of work and so was your mother. Now, so, let's go for it. By Gockrud, all right.
Thanks.
Tá géimeachta inis. Tá fáil tréin an é. Ba mar Ros Naroon maid marach.
Well, túr mar bíche bud cén sort commentáir teach.
Ba sé all right?
Yeah.
Well, sin.
Yeah.
Tá rá a go tain.
Tá sa freisin.
Níl se ráháil a daint an áran. All right, cuireann an léchart.
Tá sulm go leis agad ceart a dhéana agad.